All right, you've got $10 left at the end of the month. What now? Another overpriced coffee? A useless skin you'll forget in 48 hours? Or save it? I know, $10 feels like nothing, but that's the trap. Saving isn't about how much, it's about how often. It's a habit, like brushing your teeth, or doom scrolling at 2 in the morning. You train it like XP, bit by bit, until you level up. Now check this. $10 a month? That equals $60 in 6 months. Not life-changing, sure, but what if you crank it to 50? Boom. $300 in 6 months. That's your emergency fund. The "my phone just died and I need a new one" stash. The "I just rage quit my job" backup. The "life just slapped me" safety net. Truth is, you don't start saving after you're rich. You get rich because you started saving. So yeah, start small. Start now. Future you will be proud and slightly richer. And hey, don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos. Your wallet will thank you later.